Welcome back to TechSpress. Today I'm going to be showing you if you want to stay organized and boost some productivity. Notion is one of the best all-in-one tools for notes, product management, and team collaboration. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Notion step by step, even if you are a completely beginner. So we do have now this new basics here into Notion when you create an actual account. So Notion is all-in-one workspace where you can write, you can plan, and organize everything. So whether you need a simple to-do list or a full product dashboard, Notion makes it easier. So it's great for personal notes, for tasks, for business workflows, even from databases, wikis, and more. So to set up some Notion, you have a link down below the description to get started totally for free. And we do not have access directly here into Notion. As you can see, it actually looks like Evernote, for example, that you have access to all of these private notes. We have team spaces and much more. So let's get started. Let's understand the interface. So here into the sidebar, you have the main navigation. Here are pages, here are templates, here are workspaces. Into the top bar, we have the quick guide, the quick search, and the settings and sharing options, and the main workspace where you have all your content live. Now creating an organized page in Notion is going to be really easily. Now, Notion is built on pages and blocks. To create a new page, let's get started here into this new element. I'm going to go back directly here into the dashboard of Notion. Now into team spaces, I'm going to close all of this. And I'm going to be adding, for example, here, the getting started. I'm going to choose to trash once again, and trash this element. Now let's go, for example, here from the home dashboard. Into the home dashboard, we can see that we have the recently visited. Let's get started with a new page. Now here into my new page, let's say, for example, that now this is my getting started page. Down here, we can stop typing what we're actually looking for. For example, let's say task number 1, do this. Task number 2, do that. Now, something else that I loved to use directly here into the Notion is that we can just type space for artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is going to be helping us, let's say, to adding more details. So let's say, for example, continue writing and thinking and then reading the page. Task 3, prepare the weekly report. Task 4, task 5, and accept it. Now, I can do much more. For example, making a table. Let's say make a table for the best. I'm going to try out with best sound bar since June 25th, based with price. And let's go for the option that says availability and features. There we go. Now the artificial intelligence is going to be helping us with the soundbar models. This is the price range, the availability, and the key features. Now if you want to, you can go for try again to insert below, discard, and accept. And there we go. As you can see, it actually looks really great. My elements here, so I'm going to just delete this, and let's go for sound bar Bluetooth compression. Now something else that we can do here is to use templates to save more times. We can look out here for adding a new page, and we can look out for some templates. So I'm going to go back here into home, and instead of going for a new page, we can look out for feature templates. Now I'm going to be looking out for, here's the live wiki, the journal, to-do list, simple budget, travel, planning, and much more. We can try out with the travel planner, for example, and go for the option that says add. Now you can add it to a specific Notion page or to add it to a private. I'm going to go for private, and here into the private, I'm going to go and choose the option that says travel planner. And as you can see, here it is, my template for the travel planner. Now here, what I can do is now to start editing the elements of what I'm actually checking it out. For example, changing the cover. I'm going to be looking for the option that says link. And let's say that I wanted to checking out, for example, I don't know, maybe Peru images. I choose, I don't know, maybe this one. I copy the image address and I paste it here, and I submit. and I go for reposition, and I can make the reposition of my image, and I save the position. It looks now much greater. Now travel planner, I'm going to type Peru, and use the table to keep track of your flights. For example, to-do list, book flight, get hotel reservations, create itinerary, book activities, packing list. As you can see, we have already this elements assignees. I can change this assignee, for example, to myself. And if I wanted to add somebody else, I can just type here this name, delete it, and go for invite people. This is one of the great elements of the template, that the template already has elements that you so far mainly want to use it. So here I have a full sketcher, have a calendar view. I can add more elements, for example, check out here, and there we go. That's basically how we can actually use this element. Even we can go for the photo wall and try to change the actions to replace one image to another and upload your own image if you wanted to. And lastly, for example, what you can do is to create some databases in Notion. So Notion database helps you organize and filter information easily. You can create a simple table of views, for example, create a Kanban boards. Like the Trello, you can create some calendars, as you can see here. And I can go for, I don't know, maybe like and done. And here's my board. Actually look really well. I'm going to be putting this into the upper side, and there we go. Now, if you want to send this directly for somebody else, we have here the option that says share. We can share this to somebody else using an email or invite people, or you just copy the link and publish this if you wanted to, for example, to be published to a website with Notion. So choose the option that says published, go for view your site, and it should be appearing here, your Notion element. For example, just like as a note, now appears as a full functional website. So there you go. Actually, it's going to be really easy to use Notion. So one of the pro tips is that you can use the keyword shortcuts to speed up the workflow. You can create linked databases. We can use formulas and roll-ups for data automations, and try the Notion AI feature with writing assistance. Once again, just go back, and when you are here, just make sure that you just type space, and here are the artificial intelligence draft, reasons, and much more. So basically, it's going to be really easily to use the Notion. So it's an incredible tool to organize your life and work. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or business owner, it can adapt to your needs. So try out today and let me know in the comments below what your favorite Notion feature is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you liked Notion and you want to get started with more elements here from Notion and much more. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.